Earth's extreme heat, a deep dive into the hottest places on the planet. Join us on an immersive journey as we explore Earth's most extreme environments, where scorching temperatures and rugged landscapes define the boundaries of life. From blistering deserts to volcanic hotspots, we uncover the fascinating stories of resilience and adaptation in these fiery realms. The blazing deserts. Our expedition begins in the world's most iconic deserts, where the sun reigns supreme. The Sahara Desert in Africa holds the record for the highest temperature ever recorded on Earth, soaring to a blistering 136 degrees Fahrenheit, 58 degrees Celsius. Death Valley in California, USA, and the Atacama Desert in Chile are equally unforgiving, with their arid landscapes and extreme heat challenging life to survive in the harshest conditions. Volcanic infernos. Journeying into the heart of volcanic activity, we explore the awe-inspiring landscapes shaped by molten rock and intense heat. Places like Hawaii, Iceland, and Yellowstone National Park showcase the raw power of volcanoes, with geothermal features like hot springs, geysers, and fumaroles creating otherworldly landscapes that teem with life, showcasing nature's remarkable resilience. Urban heat islands. Transitioning to urban environments, we uncover the phenomenon of urban heat islands. In cities, the dense concentration of buildings and infrastructure absorbs and retains heat, leading to significantly higher temperatures than surrounding areas. This urban heat effect not only impacts human health and comfort but also amplifies energy consumption, highlighting the importance of sustainable urban planning and green spaces. Climate change impact. Finally, we examine the broader implications of extreme heat in the context of climate change. Rising global temperatures are intensifying heat waves and altering ecosystems, leading to profound impacts on biodiversity and human societies. Understanding and mitigating these effects are critical for building a more resilient future for our planet. Life in extreme heat. Despite the harsh conditions, life thrives in Earth's hottest places. From cacti in the desert to heat-resistant bacteria near volcanic vents, organisms have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive and even thrive in these extreme environments. Conservation and sustainability efforts. To preserve these unique ecosystems, conservation efforts and sustainable practices are essential. From reforestation projects to renewable energy initiatives, individuals and organizations are working to protect these environments and mitigate the impacts of climate change. As we conclude our expedition through Earth's hottest places, we are reminded of the delicate balance of life on our planet. From the scorching deserts to the fiery volcanoes and urban heat islands, the resilience of life in these extreme environments is a testament to nature's adaptability. By respecting and protecting these environments, we can ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Stay curious, stay informed, and continue to explore the wonders of our planet.